Here's a little tip for you. I was making a card, and I like to, when I do die cutting with a single piece of plain white, or this is very vanilla card, so that I don't mark it with all the markings from the plates, you know, I like to put a piece of paper over the top of it. So I use these sometimes, but usually without all the pieces on it. But I just threw that one on tonight, and then I realised when I got it out, I thought, oh, here you go, here's a new idea for you. I haven't done this before. If you look closely at that, look at that. It's like an embossing folder. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to use that in my card. So there's my quick little tip tonight. I hope you enjoyed that, and you could even make other ones out of other die cuts perhaps and put them over the top of your card. So use some of your dies and cut it out, and then put the piece of cardstock over the other cardstock. There's some cute little ideas for you. So if you're shopping with me in February, there's all my details. And don't forget, it's celebration still in February, and you can get the glass mat for free with a little silicone mat and a cleaning cloth if you join Stampin' Up, so that join is there. And or you can get $51 extra worth of products if you don't want the glass mat. So that's a great deal. And there's other celebration items still as well. Once you spend $90 or more, every $90 you spend, you get a freebie. So I'll catch you later. Ciao.